Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from PayPal to Payoneer. So for that you need to open up your PayPal account, and in your PayPal account just click on this option of link a card or bank account. Then click on this option of link a bank account, and for the bank details we will use Payoneer account. So for that let's head up to our Payoneer account, but make sure that your Payoneer account is up to date and activated, and for that you need to receive at least $100 into your bank account in past 6 months. And after opening up your Payoneer account, just click on this option of 3 dots on the USD. You will find this option of receiving accounts. Just click on it. After that just click on this option of USA, and you will be finding the details of account number, routing number, and all sort of details required for you to add your Payoneer account to your PayPal account. After adding your Payoneer account to PayPal, you will be able to send money from PayPal to Payoneer, and that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.